Hello friends, welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Follow Me, and today in this tutorial we are going to see how to make a beautiful YouTube banner or channel art for your YouTube channel within a very few simple steps. Now the software which I'm going to use for making this is called Canva. I have already made another extensive video on 7 easy tips and tricks in Canva for YouTubers, which you'll be getting at the top right hand side corner of this video. Make sure after watching this video you go and explore that video. Having been said that, let's straight dig into today's topic. Well, I'm on my Canva dashboard. Here first I'll have to type YouTube banner. Now here I will like to show you two different ways. One where I'll be using a simple template ready to use templates, and I'll just make a little bit of modification. Another way I would be starting from the very scratch and will go all the way till the end. I'll be showing you how to do it step by step. So first let us take any of the thumbnails which are any of the channel art which are available here. So let us start with this. Well, here you notice one thing. There are few templates where you'll be seeing this pro and this crown option. This indicates that these templates are only available for pro users for free. Otherwise you would have to pay a certain amount, which is close to around I think $1 or so for using these templates. So I would be using this template today. I'll just simply change this photo. I'll just remove it and I will insert my photo. I'll go to upload. Here you can get your photos. If you're not having any photo uploaded, you're supposed to go to upload media, where it'll give you the access of all your local drives, so you can choose any photo from there. I have already got a couple of photos, so I would just like to use one of those. I hope this one I can use. So what I need to do is I just drag it here and it will be sucked. Now while you'll be making YouTube channel art, you need to understand the spacings. Well, I have got another template where it will show you in how to identify the place where if you put your photo and texts, it will be visible to mobile, and then which is the place where you should be putting your content, parts of your content of your YouTube channel art, where it can only be seen in tablets and desktop. So I would be attaching this template for your guide. So I'll just set it as a background, and here you see if you go to file, you just need to check this show rule option, which is already checked in my case. So all you need to do is you just need to drag the rule from here. I have to drag the rule from here, and I have to place the rule in such a way so that I can fairly understand where I'm supposed to keep all my text and photos, and which portion would be only seen for tablets and desktop. So once you do this, your job would be much easier. Now once I have done this, I will understand where to keep what. Here I am in the center. I'm supposed to keep all the text and logo. That's what exactly I have done for this part as well. So I will just change this. I've already given my photo, so I can just shift it a little. Keeping it selected, you can just use your right left keys and you can just select all of this and group together, so that whenever it shifts, it does not go away from each other. So there we go. I like this. Okay, now this small gradient box, if we want to keep it little, make it little vibrant and make it little big. Now I would like to take a small blob here, so I'll go to elements and give blob gradient, so that I get a gradient blob like this. So I can use this one, I guess. Yep. So I'll just place it here. Okay, so this part is only shown in tablet. This entire part is shown in desktop, and this whole box, rectangular box, can be seen only in television. So main target is to go for this middle block. So I will just place it at the middle. You check this this small dotted lines. That will give you an indication whether you're in the center or not. You just keep this blob selected, then go to position and backward. So I will just change it. My channel name is VAGPE Media, and this is about graphic designing and video editing channel. And now I just want, as my social media buttons would be appearing somewhere here, so I like to take the blob once again. I'll take a different blob here. I'll just place it here, make it a little smaller, place it here, and then I'll go to text, or else I can simply duplicate, Ctrl D, the same text and font. I'll just make it small. I'll just type follow me here. I'll go to elements once again. Quickly I'll grab an arrow, so I'll just type arrow. I'll go to graphics. I'll get all beautiful arrows out here. So preferably I'll be going for this one. I'll make it smaller. And I will go in here and flip vertically. Then I'll just make the arrow like this. I'll change the angle and I will simply attach it here, make it a little smaller, and there we go. We got our beautiful banner ready. Only one thing is missing out here, which you should be mentioning, that is how frequently you do give your content in your channel. So what I'll do is I'll just duplicate this part, Ctrl D, and I'll just place it this way. So if you really want to test the Pro version of Canva, I have already given another link of Canva Pro, where you can enjoy 30 days of free trial. You can try different elements of Canva Pro, and if that suits you, then you can eventually go and buy it. So you'll get my affiliate link in the description box below. Quickly, I have made one banner. Now once this is done, you will get this template as well in my link. If you want to use the same template, you can very well do that. Now how to download this? You just go to download. You will have to select PNG. You'll have to go here and the pages. You'll have to uncheck this box, and you'll have to just pick the one which you have just created and done. And then once it is downloaded in download folder, you just need to head over to your YouTube studio. From your studio, at the left hand side, you will get this customize button. So click on that. After that, you go to branding, and here in the second option, you need to just make a change. If you haven't uploaded any, then you'll have to just upload it here. Otherwise, you'll have to change it from here. If you go to change, then it will automatically open the folder, and from download folder, you can straight away select and open. Right? This is how you can make a personalized YouTube banner. Now, regarding this, I would like to tell you there are many channels who do not want to personify this entire banner. So I'll have to just take another new page, and here I will make from the scratch. So first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to take a beautiful gradient background. Well, I use this color. This is kind of a Canva color, so I just use this. I will take this and I'll just right click and set it as background. Now before I proceed here, I would like to mention once again that I have created many tutorials on Canva. If you are an absolute beginner in graphic designing field, then it will be extremely helpful. I can guarantee if you go to the top right hand side corner of this video, I'll be getting the I button or info button, where I have already given my entire playlist of my Canva tutorials. So make sure after finishing this tutorial, you go and explore my Canva playlist from the info card, and you will also get the same link in the description below. So that will help you to understand this interface much better and create a better design like a pro. Having been said that, let's again continue with our tutorial today. Well, I don't want so vibrant blue out here, so I just want I just select this background, go to flip, and I want horizontal flip. Now if I want to make it a little more like lucid, then I'll have to just go to this transparency and just adjust this scroller. With this, I am done with my background. Well, I am making this with the frame, the circle one, because this fits best. Now the utility of having a frame out here is you can change the image inside the frame anytime without demolishing or disturbing the other elements of this art. So I just need to take this logo. This is my company logo. I will be using Canva's logo as well, because on Canva mostly I create different tutorials. So first is I will take a blob which matches my theme. So maybe this blob, I will place one out here. So I will take this one, I will make it small enough. I'll just place it right here. For this thumbnail, you look, I'm using all three logos this way. I'm going to use this part for my text, and then here the follow me button, right? So Canva I have used. Now I use another software which is called Movaway, which is very user-friendly software. I've made many videos on that. You can check my playlist, other playlists as well. Now next is here, I'll have to go and grab a text. Now I don't want to use any other font, therefore I'm taking just this one only. Create copy, I'll just paste it right here. Well, this color is looking like really pale. I don't want that, so I'll take a little brighter yellow. Follow me here, and then again I'll go to elements, I'll type arrow. Okay, now I want to give it a little more dimension, so I'll just type here splash is a kind of effect which I can get here. Okay, so this is another way which is not personalized yet conveying all three message. First is what your channel is dealing with. Second is what is the name of your channels. Now again, making them aware that twice a week we are giving our new videos, as well as what is this channel dealing with, which is graphic designing and video editing, and what are the kind of softwares, and a clear cut call to action button. So this is how you can usually without showing your face, you can make a non-personalized or generic YouTube banner. So I hope you must have enjoyed today's tutorial. It was small and crisp and easy. So if yes, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, because your like, your comments and your subscription are the only and sole motivation for me to thrive every single day with my channel and create more useful content for you. So thank you so very much for staying here with me. If you are a new visitor in my channel, make sure you click the tiny subscription button below and also press the bell icon next to it for the notification. And those who have already supported me with a valuable subscription, thank you so very much. Keep watching my content. Let me know what better I can make. That today this much. This is Follow Me signing off for today. I'll come back with some stunning fun video next week. Till then, stay safe, stay lit.